What is going on, guys? Size here, and today I just want to quickly show you how to use, in my opinion, one of the best trading bots out there called BullX. And it's pretty simple. If you want to look for low market cap bangers, try to snipe something really low, you're playing with low capital, then you go over to Pump Vision. By the way, to make a BullX account, you gotta use the access code. I'm gonna leave one in my bio, and you just quickly set up through Telegram. It takes less than 30 seconds to have this ready. And yeah, here you got new creations. These are tokens that are being created, that just have been created, and there's really a lot of them, and I'd be careful because 99.9% of these tokens are gonna die. Then you have tokens that are about to graduate from Pump Fun to Radium, and here this is a little easier to navigate than just looking through every single new created coin. So let's say you got Laredo. I'm gonna check. Yeah, very close to migrating, but you gotta be careful when there's pretty much only buys, because oftentimes things tend to be rugs, but seems like this one is actually about to graduate.